here's a good one. This is a 2010 Toyota Tundra, 4-liter. Rodents ate the knock sensor wire. You're supposed to take the heads off, or at the very least, you're gonna have to take this pipe out, coolant pipe, to get to the knock sensor wire. I was able to fish it up here. You can see the green one. I'm gonna try to fix this and then fish it back in there instead of taking everything apart. If you had to do a knock sensor, you definitely have to take everything apart. At least get this out, but it says actually to take the heads off to do it. So to fix this wire, if you've never used these, they work pretty good. They're solder butt connectors. And what I'm gonna do, I've done it before on an ABS wire where I got the plug apart. Got the connector out of the plug. This is not the right connector. I'm just using this wire because I'm gonna fix it. It goes in here. Got it out, and then I took one of these and cut the end. And what we're gonna do is put this wire in here. Can't do it with one hand on this phone. And then put that wire in there. And then it's gonna solder it, and it's still gonna go back in the plug. So I'm gonna do that real quick and show you. There's it actually together. Now I'm just gonna heat it up and it'll solder this together right there. All right, there's what it looks like afterwards. The solder melted right into the wire there. Pretty cool. Well, I was able to get it on there and fish it back down in there. Kind of see it back in there. There it is. A little more cleanup and put it back together. Well, it's back together, running good, and no check engine light. Can't see much with the cover on, but there it is.